What's up, YouTube?
What's good, R&R fam?
Okay, YouTube. We here with a motherfucking... Hold on. The R&R fam back here with another video. What did I say? What's up, YouTube? R&R fam, we back here with another video today. Hold on, babe. That came around the wrong side. We back here with another video today. We are trying out Dave's hot chicken.
For the first time.
Hey, it just got to our city and it's been popping lately. I'm not lying to you. It's been rocking. And this is our first time trying it. We got some for our kids. That's another video for later. We record them trying it. Let us know if you want to see it. But right now, we are trying it. You know, we finna take this down. And it's been waiting for us. Babe, hold on, do it. Boom!
Oh, we got some strawberry shakes with it. So we're gonna give y'all our thoughts.
Man, why is it sitting like that? Look, y'all. Look how they got the pickles on the side. So we got pickles over here. We got the
tender.
Just like you. We got the tender right here. Then we got the fries, and there's something special on the fries. I just want to know. I just want to let you know, just in case you work at Enterprise. Okay. Then it's babe. Oh, babe.
Yeah.
That might just be my drink. When you get your drink, it's gonna thank for you. But okay, babe, what's this right here? They got the chicken on it.
That's the slider.
Babe, who they done gave it to? They gave it to me? Y'all gave it to me? What I'm gonna do with it? What's that, babe?
Dave's sauce.
Babe, what's that? Babe, what's that?
Dave's sauce. So I guess we don't know what the proper way of eating this is. So what, you just throw it?
They done gave us Dave!
Throw it in there. I don't know.
You ain't saying nothing but a motherfucking.
Oh, is that cheese?
You're not saying nothing but a thing. Hold on.
Put it on.
Y'all ain't see that.
I wonder,
Eh.
they gave us honey. What's the honey for?
You gotta rip it this way. Don't rip down. Ooh, I'm sorry.
What's the honey for?
Smell good. I know that's right. Yeah. What's the honey for? That honey pack for later.
Oh, I guess it is.
They gave us 2 pure honey packs.
4.
Fuck! You know what I'm gonna do to it? Damn. Oh. I should have been home. That's all I need.
Oh yeah, man. I need to stay away from you, man.
Oh, you already poured some on your thing?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
I'm saying because you'll keep dropping it on yourself.
On fries too. Babe, let's dive in. Hold on. Amen. Okay.
Where do you want to go first? You want to take a bite of the slider first? Or the tender? You know what, I'm going to start with the fry. He's taking too long.
Fry? Alright.
Yo, he's not even ready.
Did you wait, hold on.
You need to open this up. Dip it in there. I don't know you're supposed to, but I did it.
Hold on, babe. Babe, hold on.
The pickle? I'm talking about the fry.
That's the right amount.
Okay. You ready?
That's slow.
Damn, babe, scoot over a little bit.
Back the hell up.
Damn.
Oh. Ready?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3.
Okay. What do you think so far? We're gonna go back for seconds?
I already got him on speed dial. The hell is wrong with you? First off, whoever cut these pickles they have a greater passion in life. Ain't no way you cutting pickles like this.
Well, I definitely understand now why the line was so long. It's definitely worth the wait.
Everybody that work at Days work 19.5 and up. That's their pay rate. Ain't no way. Hold on, babe. You said talk to him one more time?
Messed up my whole makeup.
You wanna call your mama? Look what it fell on. Don't get it. Do it. Yes. Yes.
How was the shake?
You're not even worried about that district right now. We're right here. This shit right here. This is what we doing. Oh, you see I go back. You got different look. I don't care where you from. This is what you do. It's something about this right here. Y'all that don't even be talking to y'all food, bro. And I feel bad for y'all. Just imagine not even understanding where this goes in your body.
No, this is pretty good.
But I'm enjoying myself. Go buy some Day-Days. This ain't days no more. This is Day-Day. But I mean, mad. See how it's the airwaves. There's no way. Sauce not running. It's not gonna get nowhere you don't want it. But you home. This gotta go.
Yeah. Yeah. I don't know if y'all seen that trend where the guy or the girl tries to follow the girl's speed and eating. Yeah, he can't keep up with me.
Baby, I'm ran off the line. Charlie, babe, you don't even know. Look, the lid got sauce on it too, babe. It's a whole extra bread that come with with the tender. That's only for the people who been swiping right a lot on Tinder. So what you got to say?
You're the one to bring it up. What you gonna say?
All right, Uno card, reverse. Okay. Let's see what we doing. That man got more bite in me.
I don't know. The only thing I gotta say about the fries, I think somebody overdid my seasoning because they're just a tad salty. Back up. I'm still going in.
I just want to see how they be.
I
just want to see where they came from.
Look this way.
How I'm supposed to know the purpose if you're not letting me know the purpose that was purposely happening when you purposely didn't? Ooh.
Okay. Between Cane's sauce and this one.
Oh.
Oh man. He making his own sound effects over here.
So you think about it too deep, babe. Cane's it's similarities, but this shit got different. Cane's is like a tang to it. It goes with the chicken that they serve, but this is like you want to put it on everything. You will put it on everything. We ain't use Nam ketchup packet. Cause we would have what? Dave's sauce. Man, I'm gonna dump this. Man, I'm gonna put that bit.
You're supposed to eat it with the bread. I don't know. You're supposed to eat it like that.
Yeah, baby.
Like this? Ain't no more sauce in there.
Crazy. You must have never heard of Knuckle Bobby.
I think we got.
That's Knuckle Bobby.
I think we got
It's Knuckle Bobby.
Let us know in the comments if he's hugging all the space.
Oh.
You keep leaning this way. I know he loved me, y'all, but you know my elbows need room too.
I thought we was a conglomerate.
Yeah.
Yeah. She thought I didn't know. Can't do it. Oh, I thought we were supposed to take the bite together.
I've been biting.
Far back, man.
I've been biting.
Far back, ASAP. Call in for reinforcement.
I've been biting.
That's why I'm gonna talk to Ruby.
What? You trying to...
Ruby done wore heels to the club. Knowing she is prepared to fight tonight. She should have worn some tennis shoes. Hey man, look y'all. You got some bites to take care of when you get some Dave's hot chicken. Because it's very good. I mean, the flavor is everywhere. It's going to each and every place. This is some very good chicken. I'll be honest with you. You know, I just wish it wasn't so good because now tomorrow I go and fire on somebody. Just because they made this good. Now we finna argue tonight. Who played?
What?
Why you just take care of business like that?
I told you can't keep up with me.
What the? Wait, this for the YouTube video. You're not supposed to be. You don't carry on like that. I took one bite. You took 7.
My bad. I thought the goal was to demolish.
Get back. I love y'all. Hold on. See, because you got me nervous. I'm shaking. I'm back to y'all. Look, we done tried Dave's hot chicken today, and it was very fire. You see how me and my girl, we carried on. We didn't, you know what I'm saying?
Definitely give it a 10 out of 10.
Okay, 10 out of 10. But you know how it goes when it feels, when you feel it within. When you gotta say some, it's not bad at all.
How are you burping? We didn't drink nothing with bubbles in it.
Let it marinate. You know how sometimes you gotta put some shit to the side because you know you're gonna destroy it later? This is that type of food. I know certain foods you get from certain restaurants, you eat it that first time and it's not better later. I guarantee you. See, I only had a little bit. You see how I smacked that and ain't that much power? That's strength. I've been working out. Look, this right here, you can eat it later. I'm telling you, Dave's hot chicken, out of me, out of 10, I'll say 8.5 out of 10. And that's high to me.
You keep your
8 out of 5 out of 10. Hey, you don't gotta tell me what I'm doing.
Okay. Sorry.
What's yours, babe?
I said 10.
Babe, you can't be naming anything 10. They gonna think that.
I said that.
Babe, be honest, man. Tell them, be honest.
10.
Alright, she just playing, y'all.
What?
One more time. Alright, babe. So out of what we just ate today, what would you rate Dave's hot chicken?
10.
Alright, man.